Find the least common multiple of 6 and 32. Okay, so what is the smallest prime number that will divide evenly into any one of the numbers? And we put our 6 and 32 on a grid like this, okay? Now the smallest prime number is 2. 1 is not prime, and neither is 0. So the smallest prime number is 2, and we can get rid of that 6 with the 2. So we will divide the 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Look, 32 can be divided by 2 also. That's going to be 16. Okay, what's the smallest prime number that will go into 16? I know the smallest prime number goes into 3 is 3, but 2 will go into 16. So we're going to get rid of the 16 with the 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Don't throw away the 3, bring it down. Now, what's the smallest number that will go, prime number that will go evenly into 8? 2 once again. It goes into 8 4 times, bring down to 3. Divide the 4 by another prime number, 2. Goes 2 times, bring down to 3. And finally we get rid of our last 2 by dividing by 2. It goes 1 time, bring down the 3. Now what is the smallest prime number that goes into 1? You say, well, 1. It's that 1's not prime. So once you get 1 here, we're done with this number. What's the smallest prime number that will go into 3? Evenly. 3 will, won't it? So I have a 3 right here. When I get 1 and 1, there is no prime number that goes into 1, so I'm finished. We list my answers, my 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then the 3. Okay? List them over here, multiply 2 times 2, and write down the other numbers. 4 times 2 is 8. Write down the 2, 2, and 3. 8 times 2 is 16. Bring down the 2 and the 3. 16 times 2 is 32. Times 3 is 96. So the least common multiples of 6 and 32 is 96.